Hello, Sharandi. My name is Daniel Enrique Hernandez Guevara, and today I will talk what is a wave. A wave is a large amplitude waveform on the surface of the water, winds, or currents. Translation waves. There are most common which we know only as waves. As their name suggests, they move from a place to another. Most are art and these are for surfing oscillation waves. These cannot be seen with the naked eye, since their moves are not carried out of the surface of the sea, but a deeper part. These waves oscillate, that is, they move in circles a little below the surface. Its movement and hardly noticeable. Waves are waves that move across the surface of sea, ocean, rivers, lakes, and canals. There are oscillatory waves that are represented over the entire surface of the sea and are due to variations in sea level. And then the water does not advance. It only describes a turn when going up and down almost in the same place in which the rise of the wave originates. They appear in less than 30 seconds. First wave, they are produced by winds and can sometimes be high and result a hurricane in the water. Translation waves are those that occur near the coast and that, when advancing, touch the bottom, crash against the coasting, forming an abounded foam. Then the water returns to the sea. The hand goes originate. There are when the waves make in more altitude are in tsunamis. There are waves produced by earthquake or a volcanic explosion. Two situations can happen. One is the water sinks in the center of the disturbance of the there rise explosive. In both cases, the movement causes a single wave of formidable dimensions which advances at great speed, can be thousands of kilometers per hour, and reach a height of more than 10, 10 or 20 meters. Tsunamis are very frequent in Pacific Ocean, constitute effect. When the waves are small and little periods, summer waves generally, the waves tend to move little centimeters, especially very close to the shore, tending to accumulate in the upper part of the beach, forming the dry beach. Described effect: high waves and a long period with a great wavelength can move the pavement between and cause a signal bottom current comes the sea which progressively erodes to the dry beach.